Alright, so I already started out with my foundation on. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter foundation. I did a review on this, and I actually really love this foundation when I just put it on, but it's not something you wear all day. Honestly, like after wearing this for like more than 6 hours, it starts to look like shit, which is it really sucks because I do love how it looks originally, but I do go to work and I work for 13 hours when I work, so this is not something to wear if you're going to be out for a long time. And then I did my brows as well, and I'm using it's new to me, I've only used it like 2 times now, the Sigma Medium Brow Powder. Looks like this. It's really good. Alright, so we're going to start out on the face today, and I'm going to be using the Essence Matte Bronzer in 01. Obviously, very loved. I love this bronzer. It's still one of my most favorite ones. And I'm going to be taking the Crown, I believe the Crown brushes, like when they say Crown on them, they're by Royal Nickel Crown brushes. I'm not fully sure. I got this in a BoxyCharm, and it doesn't say what kind of brush it is, but we're going to be using it today. I actually just noticed this. It has like little grippers to put your thumbs to kind of hold on to it, which is really cool. So we're swirling into this. I'm going to start bronzing up the face. So I recently bought a bunch of Sigma products, and I love Sigma and I have a lot of their stuff, but I just bought some more because they were having some really good sale the other day. So I'm going to be using the Sigma blush in Pet Name. This is the Aurora Powder Face Powder. It's just a blush, I believe. So I'm going to be using the Real Techniques blush brush, and I've been loving this blush. It's so light, but it does add color to the skin. It's very easy to build up, but it's so light because blushes, you guys know, if you put it on too much, you start looking like a clown, and that is not fun, and I don't see that ever happening with this blush. So a while back, Sigma sent me a PR package with a ton of makeup and a ton of brushes, and they had a blush in here. It was in a different color, but I dropped it on my hard ground after using it twice maybe, and I was so upset. So I'm glad I finally bought a new one because I remember it was so good. Oh yeah, and I forgot, I'm wearing the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is really bomb. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Manny MUA, alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Manny MUA Collaboration Uranus Highlighter. I love this highlighter, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my cheeks where I normally would. This highlighting is so beaming, so beautiful. And I like to just take a small little brush, and this is the Lexi 229 brush, and just use it for down the nose for a more precise highlight. And we'll just put it on the Cupid's bow, because why not? Alright, so now we're going to go in with the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. Looks like this. It looks like this on the inside. I have not used this palette yet. I've been wanting to film with it forever, but I've just been wanting to do a dramatic look with it because it's so bold and so beautiful. And I've never used Jeffree Star eyeshadows before. I only have a couple of Jeffree Star products, but I've never used his eyeshadows before. So I'm going to be using them today. I'm still not going to do anything too bold because I do have some plans and I can't have bold makeup. But I'm going to try not to get out of control. So I think I'm going to go into the first color, which is going to be Taste Buds right here. I want to use as many eyeshadows as I can because I really wanted to do a first impressions review on this, but I never got around to it and it's been out for a little bit. And I say this in every one of my videos, but if you hear all that weird noise, that's my dog. And she just came in to say hello. So those are pretty powdery, so I'm just going to be taking, and I'm using the Morphe M504 brush, and I'm just going to be taking this into the crease, kind of see how they blend and all that. So far it's not too pigmented, which I like because you can build it up. Just blending this. Alright, so that is a really pretty color. It did blend out really nicely. I do see myself using this color a lot because I love these kind of transition colors. It did take a lot to build up. I did have to dip into the pan on each eye like 4 times, honestly, just to get it built up to this color, but I'm not mad at it because you know how it is when you do a little too harsh. Alright, so the next brush I'm going to be using is the Morphe M441 brush. It is like stained in neon pink, but I wiped it all off. I don't know if I said the name of this one. This one is Taste Buds. So now I'm going to be going in with the color Stroke. I'm going to go in with the color Stroke. It looks so beautiful. So I'm going to just kind of tap off the brush a little bit, and I'm going to start blending this on the outer part and just putting it into the crease. Nothing new, nothing tricky, just blending it into the crease. Okay, that is a really pretty color. It's not as, like, at all what I expected it to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit more dark. So now we're going to go into the color Drizzle right here. And it is this brown color. Hopefully a little bit darker. But I do really like that color. It just kind of, it's a little bit lighter than I thought. And now I'm starting to look a little too heavy on the makeup than I was expecting. And that always happens. But I'm gonna go hopefully sign up for school classes today, and I'm meeting with a guidance counselor, and I really don't want to look like a clown, but they should accept me, so. This is a really pretty brown color though. It's not like a lot of browns, even though they're not black, they're brown. They still kind of like show up a little too bold on the eyes, and this one's blending out really, really nicely, just giving me a nice little blend. And I'm just drinking my favorite drink. No, this is not sponsored, but it should be. This is the Tea of a Kind drink. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but I don't see it at a lot of stores. I've only found it at the Asian market for some reason, and at King Soopers, which I live in Colorado, so we have King Soopers. This is Tea of a Kind. So when I first got it, I thought it was water, and I was like, oh, a pomegranate flavored water, because it was literally clear. And so, whatever, I opened it up, and out of this little cap right here, it squirted tea in it, and I was like, what? And I don't really like tea, but it doesn't taste like tea to me, and this is like the most beautiful drink. And so the other day I entered their contest, and I won a year's supply of it, so. Alright, so I'm taking that same brown on a flat brush just because I kind of want to just deepen it up a little bit on the outer part. So I'm just adding a little bit more. This kind of helps pack it when you use a more flat brush. Okay, so now for the metallic shades. Oh my god, I'm so excited about these. Like literally, okay, I just want to use every single color. I want to be so bold, so dramatic and bright today, but I'm going to try to stay not bright. But that's probably not going to happen, so I'm just going to go ahead and swatch these because I've been wanting to swatch these so bad. So I'm going to go just from here this way and kind of swatch them for you guys. So the first one I'm going to be using is Divine. Oh shit. Alright, I'm just going to swatch that on the back of my, holy fuck. Whoa. Dude, look at that. And it felt so buttery. And look how much is on my finger left. Holy moly. So now I'm going to go in with Filthy Rich, which it feels a little bit thicker. It's like, like the first one was soft, and this one's a little bit thicker, a little chunkier, which is cool with me. I'm going to do a second swatch on that one because it was a little sheer. That is so pretty. That's so pretty. So this one's a little bit more glittery, and it is a little bit more sheer, which is fine because it's so pretty. And now I'm going to go in with the color Lick, which is this beautiful, like, golden bronze shade. Holy moly. Honestly, that's a really beautiful color, but it didn't swatch that much. That's 3 different layers on it. I'm not good at swatching either, and it really matters on how it performs on the eyes. So, look how much is on my hands. Holy crap. I'm just going to use the other hand. I'm going to go into the color Snatched, which is what I think I'm going to be using on the eyes today. It is super glittery, super bold, and ooh, that one. That is so beautiful. Oh crap, that's got like a thick glitter to it. And so now I'm using Plunge, which has like a thick glitter to it as well. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. I love how they're like a different formula, so they're not just like metallics. They do have some glitter in them, except the first one. The first one did not. It was kind of weird. It was really smooth. Like the silver one was super smooth, and then these kind of have like some chunky glitters in them, but they're like so fucking pretty. Alright, so I was going to go into the color Snatched, which is this color right here, but I think I'm going to go into the gold color right here, just because I am trying to go to school and I'm not trying to be like super smoky and dark, but I want to use it. I want to. That's like my real soul. So I'm going to go in Filthy Rich, and I'm going to spray my brush with this ColourPop Rose Quartz Crystal Priming Spray. Just going to spray my brush with it. And now we're going to lay it on the lid and kind of see how it looks. Okay, wow, that is really cool. So that looks like I just did like actual pigment of glitter on my eyes with like glitter glue and all of that without the hard, messy work. It has like chunks of glitter in it, but it went on so easy. I feel like a lot of like chunky glitter eyeshadows do, you know, apply really hard and you have to use your finger and all that, but I just used a brush and that looks so good. Oh crap, that's so pretty. Okay, wow, that is so cool. It's not like a metallic eyeshadow. You can really see all the glitter reflex in that. I know you guys can't see it on camera good, but it's so pretty. It actually kind of matches my backdrop a little bit. So pretty. Right, now I'm just picking up that brown again just to kind of blend that in. And now I'm just going in with this Morphe E36 brush, and I'm going to be going back into Stroke. And I'm going to blend this under my eyes, not stab myself in the eyes. And I'm going to pick up a little bit of Drizzle, the dark brown. Just kind of smoke it on the ends. And now going in with Taste Buds, which is the first transition color we're using, just to kind of help smoke that out. And now I'm going back into the highlighter that we were using on a pencil brush. This is the Sigma E30 brush. And I'm just popping this on the inner corner and on the brow bone. Alright, now I'm just taking this flat little painter's brush. This is the Morphe M432 brush, and I'm going to be taking the brown, and I'm going to start smoking out my lash line. You guys know I've been doing this like crazy instead of eyeliner. I love eyeliner, but I can't do like regular eyeliner. I have to do winged eyeliner because I don't know, it never looks good just regular on my eye. But it's just kind of a pain in the ass, and I like giving the look of eyeliner without doing it too crazy. Alright, so I'm going to try to put a little bit of eyeliner. I'm just going to try because I suck at it. So I got this little free brush. This is a Sigma Eyeliner E05 brush. It looks like this. Whenever I bought all my Sigma stuff, I guess they just gave me a free brush. So I'm going to dip into my Pretty Vulgar eyeliner. And this is super pigmented, so I'm going to wipe it off. And I'm just going to try to put this like a little bit close to the lash line, not actually like draw like an eyeliner line, just kind of put it close to the lash line if that makes any sense. And now I'm going to go back with that brush we were using, just kind of try to smoke it out a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara and just putting this on my top and bottom lashes. Alright, and so because why not, we were using a lot of Jeffree Star products today. I know I said I wasn't going to go too bold, but we're going to be using the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Daddy. And I'm just going to put this on my lips. Alright, so I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm going to try it because, you know, people do it all the time, so I should be able to do it. I'm going to be taking the Dose of Colors lipstick in the color Angelic, and it looks like this. And I'm going to place this on top, kind of like in the middle, and try to ombre it. Showing up like way darker. Alright, so that did not work out like at all as expected. I thought it was going to be a little bit more brighter, but it still looks really good. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really liked the Thirsty palette. I think it was really good. I did like that the shadows were not super pigmented, so they weren't like hard to use. And there wasn't that much fallout or anything. The glitters are really, really cool. I haven't obviously used the other ones in the pan, just this one, Filthy Rich, but this one, it's like literally putting glitter on your eyes without having to do all the crazy nasty work, and it just works. It was super easy. I really like it. I really like the kind of like smoked out eyeliner look. This liquid lipstick is the bomb.com. This highlighter is the bomb. Just love it all. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one.